So this is our first offline podcast at Lean with Yash. So she's my sister Tejal Jen.
Hello, everybody.
So this is unique stuff for both of us, and I always wanted to do an offline podcast. I've been doing online, but she joined a program 6 months back, completed 3 months with us, and she's at our house just for a visit. So I thought let's shoot a podcast. Let's go. So do go ahead and introduce yourself quickly.
Basically, from last 2 years, from last 2 years, I was facing too many problems, health-wise, emotionally, and overall. Big things happened. I was diagnosed Bell's palsy. Then I was diagnosed GERD, that is a reflex disorder. My health started deteriorating very fastly. I had put on a lot of weight. Like I was over beyond overweight. If I tell, I was
Mm-hmm.
around 95 when I started with
Mm-hmm.
you. In March I was at my peak. My whole face was swollen
Oh.
completely. My body was very heavy. I could not walk without,
Mm-hmm.
बिना हाफे में चल नहीं सक रही थी. It was that
Acha.
difficult.
Mm-hmm.
My knees started giving up. I'm hardly 32, but my knees started giving up. I used to have pain in my knees. it I realized कि it's high time I take some good step towards it. And
Mm-hmm.
what better way to start it with you? I could not go to somebody else, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
I could not trust anybody else. I was looking at the transformation which you have promised, which you've given, and I thought, it's better to trust my own brother rather than spending money
Mm-hmm.
somewhere else. I started, and I swear to God, honestly, I'm telling you, it was not difficult at all. Initially I had to be mindful
Mm-hmm.
of what I'm eating, but in one
Mm-hmm.
week I just went with the flow. It was nice, it was very easy, adaptable. I could tell, like, I used to call up Prachi and tell Prachi, this is not working, or I'm not able to eat this. And she used to instantly give me an option, Ki Tejal, you can do this instead of that. You can shift the days, you can shuffle, but be mindful about what you're eating. Now, slowly, some other health issue came up. I could not follow to the T till end. I had disc bulge issue, so I could not follow to the T.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm telling you, I followed the diet restriction rather than saying restriction, reformations. I kept on eating salads.
Mm-hmm.
I kept my protein intake on point, and that helped me a lot.
Great. So tell me, which month did we start? Like, what was
We
the month?
started around July something.
July somewhere, and
Yeah,
were like 12 weeks.
12 weeks.
So when we started, like, this was not the first time we spoke in July, right?
Yes.
We spoke back like 2022.
We have spoken back in 22, 21, 20. You have been
Uh,
persistent about it. That
huh.
you knew what I was going through, you knew my
Hmm.
situation, and you were like, "Nahi, you should do." But I was not ready
Hmm.
mentally. And my husband was like, if you are going to follow it to the T, I
Hmm.
am ready to spend. Otherwise, I don't find it useful. And somewhere I agreed to him. I felt the way what he was speaking, because if
Hmm.
I'm spending and I'm not following it, it is just waste of money.
Correct.
But this time when I started, he also saw my problems. He's like, okay, let's take a chance.
Hmm.
And we invested.
Hmm.
Invested rather in invest. I say it is the best investment of my life. We
Hmm.
invested. And he could see it in a week.
Hmm.
I could see
Nice.
it in a week. In first week, I dropped 2 kgs without efforts. I'm
Hmm.
not exaggerating. It is on papers. It is on charts.
Correct.
I dropped 2 kgs only with 5,000 steps, which Prachi pushed me very badly. Ki Tejal, you can do it.
Hmm.
You can do it. You can
Hmm.
do it. She never did. She was there. You can
Mm-hmm.
do it. It's okay. You can do it.
Mm-hmm.
I did not exercise 6 days a week. I did only 4 days. I still remember. It was new for me. I
Hmm.
was getting there, and I
Yes.
managed. And it was
Great.
nice. It was very easy, smooth. It was very smooth basically because I had made up my mind. No, I have to do this, and it is helpful. Yeah, that's there. Right.
Awesome. So tell me, when you started off, you lost 2 kgs in a week, right? A lot of people gain weight, lose weight, and then they regain it back. So by the time we completed transformation, you started at about
I
93,
93,
and
yes.
now we are at about
86, give and
86,
take
85,
86. Yeah,
86, 85.
yeah,
You completed it at 3 months, and you're
yes.
still able to maintain all of it.
Yeah, I am able to maintain it healthily. I make sure that if I'm eating junk, following week or following days of the week, I cut back on calories. Something
Mm-hmm.
which you basically said, that
Hmm.
if you are taking a cheat day, make sure that you are cutting back on the calories in the following days.
Hmm.
The basic
Post
idea. I'm
compensation.
doing that.
Yes.
If I'm eating out, if I know I'm going to eat,
Hmm.
now it was a wedding in my family,
Hmm.
a very close wedding,
Mm-hmm.
5 days affair. 3 times I had to eat out. Like 15 meals were outside.
Acha.
In those meals, initially I used to eat vada sambar in breakfast because that's the only thing I can eat. I found palatable everywhere. But
Mm-hmm.
now I switched to idli and poha
Mm-hmm.
because I knew fried is not required.
Let's continue.
Okay. Fried is not required. I can eat poha, I can eat khakra, basically
Mm-hmm.
anything but fried.
Correct.
So I made it a point. I stopped
Hmm.
having tea first thing in the
Mm-hmm.
morning since I've joined the program.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if I'm traveling, only then I
Mm-hmm.
have first thing in the, otherwise I don't.
And
So
that wedding was specific to a Marwadi wedding,
a
right?
typical मारवाड़ी wedding filled with food. Like
Yes.
एक इवेंट खत्म हुआ नहीं कि दूसरा शुरू होने में भले 1 घंटा होगा, बट खाने में गैप नहीं है. It was a very lavish affair. In lunches also, I made a point that I eat salads, a good
Mm-hmm.
portion of salads.
Mm-hmm.
I did not go for tandoori roti, tandoori naan. Rather, I preferred eating fulka. I
Great.
did not eat gravy ki sabzi, but I ate
Mm-hmm.
live sabzi. That
Mm-hmm.
made a huge difference, honestly. I had a bowl of curd, no matter the weather, no matter
Hmm.
the temperature. I ate a
Nice.
bowl of curd.
Good. Good.
That helped me. Even today, I cannot eat dals. I'm really sorry. I just cannot eat dal. I
Hmm.
compensated with curd, paneer, or
Hmm.
anything, but
Hmm.
no dal. I
It's
could
totally
not do that,
fine.
but I did. In dinners, I used to come back at home at 4
Hmm.
for my kids, so I used to have
Mm-hmm.
fruits at home.
Mm-hmm.
I made a point that I eat enough fruits that I'm
Mm-hmm.
filled till 8:30,
Mm-hmm.
and dinners were late. So there also I saw I ate paneer. I ate chaat. I'm not saying I did not eat,
Hmm.
but I was mindful about the portion again. Like not a whole plate, but 1 or 2 spoonfuls of chaat.
Got
Maybe
it.
a small serving of biryani, whatever
Mm-hmm.
was served basically. I don't eat sweets.
Basically, balancing out
Yeah,
things is what you aimed for.
I don't eat sweets. I've
Mm-hmm.
stopped eating sweets since March because I started feeling conscious. I stopped eating sweets altogether.
Mm-hmm.
I did not go for cakes and pastries also. I don't feel like eating them now
Oh.
because I'm at that stage.
Mm-hmm.
I don't crave for sweet food. I'm happy with the diet. It is nice.
Tell me one thing. When we gave you the plan, right? The What was your first reaction when you saw the nutrition plan?
Will I be able to do it?
This was the first.
First question, because I am a
Hmm.
high time foodie. I need
Hmm.
food, and food
Hmm.
was my comfort zone. At that moment, emotionally, food was my support.
So from the thought of I won't be able to do it to being able to successfully do it, how
And
do you feel the coaches at Lean with Yash helped you do the transition?
I'll add one more point, from not being able to do it to successfully do it and carrying it forward
Correct.
after 3 months
Hmm.
also.
Hmm.
The coaches have been helpful immensely. Not a
Hmm.
single day went by. My coach, she kept on checking upon me. Ki, what did you do today? See,
Hmm.
honestly speaking, sending photographs initially 2 weeks was easy for me. Then I got lazy because
Hmm.
being mother of two, I have to be
Hmm.
on my toes, and my kids are very, like, one is 5 and one is 3. I have to be behind them doing something or the other. Clicking a picture is difficult, so I did not click a picture, but I kept on updating. Yeah, I've eaten this today. I've eaten this
Hmm.
portion. I'm doing this. I'm doing that. If I'm not able to work out, I said today I did not work out. I was
Hmm.
honest about it.
Hmm.
I never said ki I did and I did not, and nothing like that. Coaches have always been there. Whenever I message, if if they are busy, they would tell me that I'll call you in this and this time, and uske pehle hi call aa jata tha कि this is what happened, what is wrong, do you need any help? And even today I spoke to my coach and she's like, I'm always there, you can call me up anytime. It is 6 months after my training, okay?
Correct.
Nobody extends that much support, but yeah, she did. And you being my brother, I can call you anytime. If you
Yeah.
don't receive my call, I call your father at the end of the day. That's
That has
there.
never happened
That
basically.
never happens, but yeah, still, that's there.
Yeah. Always there for
And
everyone.
there's nothing
Hmm.
like, this was not difficult.
Hmm.
If I've made up my mind, I'll tell this to everybody listening out there. If you've made up your mind, this is not difficult.
Hmm.
If you are doubting yourself, it is going to be difficult. When you start, be with the thought ki yes, I'm going to do this,
Hmm.
I'm doing this for me.
So let's say there's someone listening right now, but they're
Yeah,
in a doubt key whether I would be able to transform on my own or with Lean with Yash. So the one person who's in a doubtful mode, the woman who's in doubtful mode.
you will be able to do it 100%ly, but have confidence on yourself first.
Hmm.
Coaches will be there, but you have to feel it from yourself कि I
Hmm.
am going to do this, I will follow it, I will follow it to the T. When we say we follow it to the T, we do it 70%.
Hmm.
That's there.
Correct.
Try to do as much you can, but don't compare yourself with anybody else. उसका 10 किलो कम हो गया, मेरा तो 2 किलो भी नहीं हुआ. No, everybody's body works differently. Now
Mm-hmm.
I reduced weight very easily. First week में 2 किलो weight reduce होना is something new for me also. I
Hmm.
reduced. But if it were me in the other time, I would have gained 10 kgs in this last 3 months because I
Hmm.
was dependent on food for my emotional support.
Correct.
Now, with the help of exercise, proper nutrition, proper eating habits, I did not fall back on food.
Hmm.
So, I did not gain back.
Nice.
Even now, I am running high on 86 only. I haven't gained 100 grams because I am mindful of what I eat. I eat
Mm-hmm.
salads, I eat proteins enough.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever is suggested, मैं
Hmm.
पूरा नहीं follow कर
Hmm.
सकती. I have cheat days also. I have had cheat week also.
Acha.
But I still, after that also, I knew how to cut
Compensate.
back, how
Hmm.
to
Balance.
discipline myself, how to balance out the calories I've consumed with the
Mm-hmm.
other nutrition.
Great. So tell me, this experience that you've worked with Lean with Yash has been great. So as per the summary of what whatever we've discussed, the summary is basically you were in a zone of fixing your health. You're
Yes.
not sure about it.
Yes.
Initially, you were not sure. You had a word with my team member. You obviously had a lot of consultations with me, and then
Yes.
finally, one of my team member had a
Lot
word with
of
you.
around 9, 10 from last 6, 5 years. Every year we spoke about
Yeah.
it, and still I
Hmm.
got back.
And once you joined, you transformed, you developed your habits. So earlier, the biggest reason why you were gaining weight was whenever you were stressed, food was an option to get you dopamine.
Yes,
Now what we did is, instead of food, we replaced your dopamine
with
triggers
exercises.
into exercise or getting a nice sleep. That would also give you dopamine, or taking care of your own health.
Yes,
You changed your dopamine triggers. Now you no longer fall back to food just to become happy or just
happy.
to
Yeah,
satiate yourself.
I'll tell you, this was a very vicious cycle.
Hmm.
I haven't exercised much, but I have learned this. I have learned the art of letting go when I joined this program. I am
Hmm.
not kidding. I
Hmm.
have just learned
Hmm.
that is affect. This thing is affecting negatively. Let's just leave it there.
Hmm.
I learned it hard way, but yes, this came with the program because I realized what I was doing to my body. I was putting in sugars, I was putting in carbs and everything, and how it was reacting, how it was making me. I did not have self confidence.
Mm-hmm.
I could not talk to people as such. Like normal conversations were fine, but I could not hold. I did not like talking to people.
Oh.
Now did my first public performance. I danced in front of right around 800 people in the wedding.
Acha.
I never did that, but I got the confidence. I could do it. I
Hmm.
could practice for 6 hours straight. Can you believe it?
Acha.
Dance के लिए I practiced six. I learned the dance in one day and I
Mm-hmm.
learned it in 6 hours straight.
Okay, nice.
And I
That's
was happy
good.
with it. I did not feel exhausted
Mm-hmm.
also.
Mm-hmm.
A little exhaustion is fine, but जो overwhelmed feeling थी, that did not come
It was
on me.
smooth. You
It was
enjoyed the six
smooth.
hours of practice.
It came, and
Hmm.
what happened was कि now I worry so much about what I eat. I worry in positive way, okay,
Mm-hmm.
not in negative way. I think upon it. Initially, if I come to Pune, I have my favorite spots. I have to go there. Now, since
Mm-hmm.
yes, I've come yesterday night, but I did
Mm-hmm.
not think upon it. Food is not my main concern now.
Hmm.
Now I am like, ठीक है, it's okay if I don't go there. I'll eat some other day. I've had it in past. पहले था
Hmm.
कि नहीं mandatorily खाना है, अब
Acha.
नहीं है.
Abhi nahi.
I've got that discipline also.
Mm-hmm.
It's there.
So tell me, now that it's been a while since you've worked with us,
Mhm.
so the habits you developed, how easy was it for you to pass on to your family members, or did that happen naturally?
I'm not a easy person to deal with. My husband knows it. So if I tell this has to happen, this has to happen.
Hmm.
See, basics don't change in a family. The things which are from yours, they don't change. So I did not try to change the basics, but I
Hmm.
tried to add whatever adds nutrition to their
Hmm.
food. I started giving them a side of salad compulsorily.
Mm-hmm.
We as a family have a dinner at 6. My younger ones, both 5 and 3 years old, they also eat at 6.
That's good.
Kitchen closed. Nobody is eating after that. I'm trying to inculcate that habit in my kids. I want to tell them that you eat before, be religious reason, be health reason, whatever it is, eat before 6. If you're not well, if you're going out, that's another point.
Hmm.
But main dinner has to happen before 6. And my family is happily following it.
That's good.
Evenings also, initially it was like, I live in Hyderabad, so dal chawal is staple 3 days a week. Now
Mm-hmm.
we have come to Frankie's, we have come to moong dal ka chila, we have taken up
Hmm.
things.
Hmm.
We're eating idlis in the evening. Initially, idli was our lunch, so we
Acha.
could eat a proper appetite. But now
Huh?
we have shifted things. Thoda bahut basic
Small
changes are
changes.
there.
That's good.
Now, some, like, not all days, but at least twice a day, I make dal in afternoon. So everybody
Hmm.
eats a bowl full of dal. And we do it that way,
So,
and they're happy with
hmm.
it. It's easy.
Small changes have been passed on, and that was a easy transition for you.
And in my family, in-law side, nobody is overweight. If I tell,
Acha.
it was me who had put on, but all of them are
Okay.
lean. So
Hmm.
exercise point of view, my mother-in-law, she's the most healthiest 52, 53-year-old lady you'll meet.
Okay.
She can walk. She wakes up at 4 a.m. She sleeps at 9:30. She
Mm-hmm.
doesn't sleep in afternoon. She
Mm-hmm.
has a very disciplined lifestyle, and I'm
Mm-hmm.
trying to learn from her to wake up early. My
Hmm.
husband, he's a doctor. He has a high stress job, but he
Mm-hmm.
is not a junk eater. So
Hmm.
it's easy to
Correct.
tell him to do this, and he's okay with it. Exercise point of view, yeah, we are trying to inculcate a habit of walking 30 minutes walk every day, but it is not working out as of now. But
Hmm.
still, yeah, things are much better. Just stagnant like sitting and doing,
Hmm.
somewhere now it is changed. He moves around a bit. Gets
Hmm.
up from his chair and he moves around. He
Mm-hmm.
does this, and
Mm-hmm.
job demands, his work demands also the movement, so it
Mm-hmm.
works well.
So, as you're a mom,
Hmm.
right? You were a mom of
Yeah.
two kids. You had responsibilities, family, in-laws, husband, plus kids,
Yes.
right? Plus health issues to take care of, doctor visits.
Yes.
How much time did you invest on your health every day to reach where you are right now?
Honestly speaking, your exercises get over in 45 minutes. That
Mm-hmm.
is the maximum time it has taken me, because I have done yoga earlier. My body is a little flexible. I don't know how it affects other people, but for
Mm-hmm.
me, 45 minutes of exercises.
Hmm.
If I could not finish work, I used to call up my mom, or I
Hmm.
used to take up my core daily, whatever I have to do. I used to walk around the house and finish the steps.
Nice.
I managed it that way.
Great.
Simultaneously, multitasking was
That's
important
good.
because kids
Yeah.
are very small.
Hmm.
Sometimes I used to run behind them just for the sake of it. I used to make them run and I used to run behind them.
Hmm.
उनका भी enjoyment हो
Interesting
जाता
insight.
है.
That's good. That's
I
interesting.
used to we played games like lemon and spoon,
Mm-hmm.
passing the ball, keeping on it. That included me and them both. It helped me,
Mm-hmm.
but it did not take major time. Food also I am cooking for everybody the same.
Acha.
I'm only portioning my while serving myself. It is not that I'm pre-portioning. I'm
Hmm.
portioning what I'm serving myself.
Mm-hmm.
Salads to any which was I'm cooking for everybody. So it was easy. It was not
That's good.
difficult. I'll
Easy
tell
to
you,
follow diet.
max to max, I had to give 1.5 hour.
Daily.
Maximum.
Maximum. Upper limit. That's good. So basically the diet was like initially when you started practicing it with the workouts and all, you realize that 1.5 hour, 45 minutes, 60 minutes is good enough
Yeah.
to execute. So even if you have a busy life with multiple responsibilities, you can still get
You can do it.
great
You
results.
can very well do it. If provided you are dedicated to it.
Hmm.
If you want to do it. If you are into it.
Mm-hmm.
If you find excuses, you'll get hundreds of them.
Hmm.
And if you want to do it, you'll do it easily. That's it. It's
That's
very
great.
there's I'll tell you one thing, what I found best in this program,
Mm-hmm.
you did not emphasize in portioning the food. As
Hmm.
of what I see the other people, you get the
Hmm.
ads, you see the pop-ups.
Yeah.
Weight the micros, weight Not everybody can do it. I
Hmm.
was skeptical about dieting just because of it, because I could
Acha.
not weigh 100 gram of rice, raw rice, and then cook and then eat. I
No,
could
no.
not do it, not with two kids
Mm-hmm.
and no domestic help. I have, but not as much. So
Got it.
I was very happy with that. It is everything what your mind makes you eat, you know.
Hmm.
Basically, it was that, you know, I am full now. This portion is enough for me. I learned this, that the bigger the plate, the more you eat. I learned it from here. Your plate should
Hmm.
be a
Smaller.
smaller plate, so you know that how
Eaten a
much
lot.
you are eating.
Ha.
It is all visual.
It also creates a placebo that you've eaten a lot when you complete the plate.
Exactly.
So the diet was more of no separate cooking.
Yeah,
Whatever your family loved eating,
yeah,
you were eating the same, and the family members were eating the same.
exactly.
And now slowly you passed on. You were eating a salad, so you would
My
cut
kid.
it for your in-laws, for your husband.
Yes,
You also eat it,
yes.
and it was up to them whether to eat it or not.
Not, it was
And
up to
then
them.
eventually they
They gave
grabbed
in.
up.
They gave in. They
Hmm.
started eating. They found it
Hmm.
appetizing. I did not like anything to sprinkle on my salads, but
Hmm.
I used to sprinkle
Sprinkle
chaat
some.
masalas or some or the other,
Ah.
not dressing, but something on it so that it
Mm-hmm.
made more appetizing, and they ate. And my kids are well angel like when it comes to food. They eat whatever I said, so it was not
Got
a
it.
problem.
So now your current health, current fitness situation, as compared to 7, 8 months ago, what's the
Biggest
difference?
positive difference is my reflux issues are gone. They're next to zero.
Acidity.
They flare up once in 2 months, not
Mm-hmm.
more. Stress ज़्यादा हो गया. If I could not sleep now because of wedding, I could not sleep well.
Hmm.
It was then it came up, not with the
Oh.
food.
Hmm.
I can walk. I have a ramp at my home for 2 floors.
Acha.
Initially, I could not walk one flight.
Hmm.
I used to start panting. Now I come directly at the top, like four of them, and I
Acha.
don't feel exhausted.
Stamina is better.
I can walk. I
Hmm.
can walk freely without.
Hmm.
I I'm used to lifting weights like bag, 5 kg bag, and everything at
Hmm.
home. Now I do it without any effort. It's easy for
Effortless.
me. I can move.
Hmm.
I can move with. I lift my kid and walk for the ramp. I walk on the ramp like
Hmm.
4 flights of steps. I
Four
can say
flights.
it's easy for me now. Other
Mm-hmm.
than that, I sleep well.
Mm-hmm.
Initially, I used to sleep at 3. I wake up
Acha.
at 6:30.
Sleep cycle is also better now.
I
What time do
now
you sleep now?
sleep at 10:30, 11.
And
I
wake up
wake up
time?
at 6:30. I wake up and fresh. I wake up fresh. I have a sound sleep. I won't
Mm-hmm.
say deep sleep, but a sound sleep. It is not disturbed.
Hmm.
Initially, I used to get disturbed
Hmm.
just by the movement of my child. If he moves, I used to wake up. Now,
Oh.
no, no, it doesn't happen.
Sleep got better. How
Sleep,
how what do you feel the sleep impacts your
it im-
performance the next day? How do you feel the
it
next day?
impacts my mood. More of it impacts my mood because if I'm
Hmm.
slept well, I can take on the day come what may. I do
Hmm.
everything and anything. But if I haven't slept well, I am so lethargic, I'm so tired throughout the day. And that irritation comes out. It comes out on the kids, it comes out on the
Hmm.
family, and everybody is affected. Okay, sleep helps a lot. Sleep helps you to eat less
Mm-hmm.
also. That also I've really noticed. If I've slept well, I eat in a controlled portion. If I haven't slept nicely, I eat a lot. I eat more than
Hmm.
my appetite.
That's
See,
nice. So sleep is what you mentioned. Sleep quality is good. Sleep cycle is good. Now you wake up fresh. You
reflux
acidity has
issues are
dropped.
gone.
That's
My
good.
skin is improved.
Skin is nice. What about your
So
hair? Did you observe any improvement in your hair?
hair now I cannot comment because weather change. Other than
Hmm.
that, my hair quality was also improved.
It's improved.
It was
Great.
improved.
Able to climb stairs, run behind your kids, run with your kids.
Yes,
So
yes,
better stamina. Able to lift heavy objects inside the
yes.
house.
Flawless, like smoothly, without any issues.
Hmm.
Yes, it was there. It came very smoothly. I
Mm-hmm.
did not put a lot of efforts to
Hmm.
be. If
Hmm.
I had followed everything you had said, I would be your 20 kg success story. Definitely,
Hmm.
I'm telling you that because it was easy. There was nothing difficult. There was a time when I could not do push-ups and
Hmm.
squats. I
Hmm.
came up. I cannot do this. Immediately, my coach said, "Make you. It's okay if you cannot do full body push-ups. You can
Hmm.
touch down your knees and try.
Hmm.
Slowly, you can do."
Hmm.
And that encouragement makes us do so many things. you know. Then I told her that say, this is difficult. So she said, it's okay, you repeat the last week's exercise, your body will get used to it. Then again, next week we'll start.
Hmm.
That was the best thing that happened, you know. I could understand my limitations and work towards pushing them. That was there.
That's good.
That was very
Planning your
nice.
workouts as per your body, as per your fitness, designing the workout plan, and then executing and enjoying it at the same time.
Best part was you were not hard and fast about working out in the mornings, in the evenings, anything. Anywhere
Hmm.
where you have 2 hours of gap between meal.
Just do it.
That's what was required. So best, but for me the best time was 4 to 6
Hmm.
afternoon,
Evening.
evenings 4 to 6 or
Hmm.
3 to 5. That was the time where I could work out. My kids are sleeping. I don't have to worry about what I'm doing in the kitchen or anything.
Mm-hmm.
I have that free time. That was the time I used to work out. And it worked nicely because it was in my schedule. You know, I did not have to move around
Hmm.
anything.
Correct.
It just fit. It was like a puzzle piece. It just fit there. I, yeah, ये time है यहाँ पे करना है.
Also, did you see the pre-planning video that we gave you in the
I saw
first
everything.
everything?
Yes, I saw
Great.
everything twice because I wanted to make sure that
Hmm.
if I'm going to be able to do it or not.
Hmm.
I'll tell you, I'm very when in certain things I'm very lazy.
Hmm.
So I was like, see, I'm investing.
Hmm.
I am putting up time. If
Hmm.
I won't be able to do it, my husband will go and I'll never hear the end of it. My husband will be like, you did not do it. But he was so happy. In the first week only, he could see the changes, and he
Hmm.
was like, it's okay. Do it slowly. It's okay. Had I not got health issues, I'm seriously telling you, I would have again enrolled for the next three
Hmm.
months just to keep it constant.
Smooth.
It would have worked very nicely. Now, once I finish working on my health issues, I'm coming back because
Awesome.
this is nice. This is easy.
Hmm.
See, if we are spending lakhs on our lavish weddings, if we have like, honestly, I have an iPhone. iPhones are not
Hmm.
cheap.
Yeah.
If I'm spending so much there, why can I not spend some 20,000 on my health? Including whatever the requirements. Why
Hmm.
cannot? Why I cannot? We can do the planning. It all depends. It all comes from here.
Mind.
If I make up my mind, I can do it.
So when you're married, right? A lot of moms, homemakers, working women are married. So the first thought is like, will I be able to convince my husband? So just like your husband, my GRG, of course,
Hmm.
was a bit skeptical. Will you be able to do it? Are you sure about it? Right. So this is one of the thing. How did you talk about our program, or how did you explain? What
See,
did you do to
when
ensure?
he kept
Hmm.
on asking me this, he asked me this from last every from 4 years I'm behind him, and
Hmm.
every time he said you won't be able to do it.
Hmm.
I did not feel demotivated. That's the first thing.
Hmm.
We get irritated. You're not trusting me? No. I kept on trying.
Okay.
When things went really bad this year, last year, and this year, in regards of health, I said, let's take a chance. If I do
Hmm.
it, it's positive for us. If I don't, it's a lesson for me that how I have to commit.
Hmm.
Kept on telling him. I showed him the pre-planning program. I showed him the transformations. I showed him your videos, whatever the small videos you kept on putting. I showed him everything,
Hmm.
and it's like he also felt like this is promising. This
Hmm.
is something you can do. Like
Great.
he could feel it. He could see. I guess some you
Hmm.
have somewhere uploaded pictures of the plates also.
Hmm.
This is what my client eats. He's
Correct.
like, yeah, this is doable. This is not something lavish. Initially, even I thought diet meant, weighing every single thing and adding so many things which are not some like protein powder and this
Hmm.
and that and this. He did not believe in putting in artificial things. So he was like skeptical about that. But when he
Hmm.
saw everything, he's like, yeah, this is doable. You can
Hmm.
do this.
Hmm.
It's him. He pushed me towards it. It's my, what do you say, willpower to do it. It's
Hmm.
your support which helped me. It's all three of you, us. We've worked combiningly. कि नहीं ये करना है. You kept on pushing me. You, Prachi, both of you.
Hmm.
No, do it. It's okay. It's okay if you've not done today. Do it tomorrow. Don't look at others' transformations. Look at yours. Take inspiration. Don't get jealous. Take
Hmm.
inspiration. Don't compare. That's the only thing that was happening, and it worked nicely.
Let's say for the last time as well, when you spoke to your husband and you took his word, कि चलो let's try on our own instead
Mm.
of hiring an expert.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Where would you have? Where would your help been in July to
I
December? Like,
I
what do you
did
think?
not know the value of protein and everything. Okay, what protein does? Salads, I like salads otherwise
Hmm.
also. So salads was something I was trying to do, but I did not know the value of protein, that it makes us feel full. It
Hmm.
fulfills our appetite on
Hmm.
a higher portion.
Hmm.
I I don't think I would have lost some 2 3 kg in this
Mm-hmm.
4 5 months,
Mm-hmm.
but not in a healthy way. Definitely
Hmm.
not in a healthy way, because I did not know where to stop
Hmm.
or what to start. Basically both.
Hmm.
Yeah, I would not have done that. 2 kilo 3 kilo hardly जो मैंने एक हफ्ते में reduce किया है would have taken
Ah,
some 5 months to do that.
oh, got
But
it.
now, yeah, this is there.
So, what would be your suggestion? So, my suggestion to any mom or any wife listening here would be that if your husband is not ready to go ahead, see, it's totally fine. You're obviously gonna respect your husband's decision. You
Yes.
can't go against it, right? But my suggestion is that you are not gonna save the money in the bank, right? Let's say you have X amount in the bank and you have to invest not the 100% of the amount in the bank. You're just gonna invest a part of it,
Very small.
whatever the amount is, like
Yes.
15, 20, 50, whatever the
Whatever
amount
it
is.
is, very
Pricing would
small.
obviously go up.
Yeah. Obviously, they are going
Yeah.
to market
So
values.
if you have, let's say, 2 lakhs in the bank, right, and you have to
Excuse me.
invest, let's say, 10% of it on your health,
Yeah.
right? If you don't invest it on your health, you don't take the chance. Like, I'm not saying go against your husband, but if you don't invest
I'll
anywhere, you're gonna invest it on your clothes, your
I'll
sarees,
tell
your
this to
cars, your
every
EMIs,
woman
anywhere.
listening out there.
Hmm.
Don't buy a sari this New Year, this birthday, or whatever, a sari, a dress, or whatever, a watch, or whatever. Don't buy it. Put it on your health. Keep it for your health. Because
Hmm.
if your health improves, you help in improving your family's health, your husband, your in-laws, your kids, your grandparents, your parents, your sisters, everybody. You
Hmm.
try to tell everybody that do this or do that, this is going to help you, this is not going to help you.
Hmm.
And when you are eating mindfully, when you go out, you're eating mindfully, the people around you, they look at you and they also start eating mindfully. That helps.
Hmm.
This birthday, don't buy a new dress or don't buy a new phone. Invest it here, maybe in your health, and see the wonders. Because obviously next year when you lose weight, you'll have to buy so many dresses. That is another story for another
Yeah,
day.
that's a
But
nice
this
point
is
of
there.
view. Yeah.
This is there. You won't believe I had to alter all my clothes
Hmm.
for
Talk about the
two
jeans
two
you spoke
inches.
about few hours
So
back.
there's one picture which Yash is going to put in my transformation
Hmm.
story,
Yeah.
where I'm wearing a denim
Mm-hmm.
which I'd bought already, and it was not fitting me. It was tight, but the woman in me, I put myself in it because I had to go out.
Hmm.
And now I've altered it two inches from both. Last time I altered it
Mm-hmm.
one inches from both sides.
Mm-hmm.
Now it is still going down. I still have to alter one more inches. I got it
Hmm.
stitched from the side.
Hmm.
That's there. I did not. I felt happy. Yeah, this is happening to me. Initially, it
Correct.
was impossible, but yeah, this is happening to me, and this is nice.
That's nice. The best feeling is like you open the wardrobe, wear your
Oh,
old
this doesn't fit
clothes.
me. This doesn't fit me. This doesn't
Hmm.
fit me. This is okay. Time to shop. Don't shop for one dress, and next year you are going to be changing the whole wardrobe. That's the best part.
And you will need a tailor as well.
You need a tailor, and यार tailor की भी कमाई हो जाएंगी. As
Correct.
simple as that.
Correct.
It is nice actually. This feeling, the light
Mm-hmm.
feeling is nice. This comes
Mm-hmm.
when you are dedicated. Again,
Hmm.
I'll emphasize on this. I'll
Hmm.
tell this to everybody. If you are enrolling, please do enroll, but be confident that you will be doing it. It's
Hmm.
not that be sure. I'm saying be confident about it. Ki
Mm-hmm.
yes, I am doing it. I will do it,
Mm-hmm.
and I'll give a result. It's not about the numbers. It is not about how many kg you lose. It is about the confidence you gain and how
Hmm.
it helps you later on. That's something very important.
That's great. That's great. Very detailed
Yeah, I
discussion.
was very happy to be part of it because,
Yes.
honestly, wherever I've gone, I've listened to this. You've lost a lot of weight. You've lost a lot of weight. And I was like, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
this is nice. This feels good. Actually, this
Great.
feels good.
Best feeling ever is what I feel like
Exactly.
someone's complimenting you.
Yeah.
Did anything like this ever happen that the person who was telling you you've gained weight is the same person asking you how did you
For
lose?
90% of them. 90% of them, everybody is
Hmm.
like, in February, March, You put on a lot of weight. Are you expecting? Okay, this is the worst question I've ever have been asked. Are you expecting? I said yes. I'm expecting to you to shut up. I wish I could say that, but no.
Mhm.
And then the same person who met me in August on Raksha Bandhan, you share the same photo.
Yeah.
Oh, you've lost a lot of weight. How did you do that? Are you going to some gym? I said, no, I'm
Mhm.
doing it with help of so and so Lean and with Yash. They are helping me very nicely. I did not say you're my cousin because people
Hmm.
expect discount, and I don't want to
Ha.
do that. Your hard work. I'm not doing that. People have come up, they've asked me, whom are you following? See, this is the person. I've shared your details. This is the person.
Mhm.
He's helping me get through it. It's okay.
Mhm.
It's nice. It feels good. Now they admire. Oh, you've lost a lot of weight. You look so pretty. You look so nice. I'm like, thank you so much. That's all I can say.
That's nice. Superb. So yeah, I guess we have discussed everything,
Yes,
starting
almost
from
everything.
before, after, and
Mm,
sustainability.
exactly.
And
It's very
Mhm.
easy. Please, if whoever is coming, come with the confidence. Listen to your coach.
Mhm.
They are there to help you. Listen to your coach. If you have any problem, communicate with your coach, and it's okay. It does. It works wonders.
Perfect. Thank you so
Thank you so
much
much.
for your time.
See you soon.
Yes, very
Very
soon.
soon. Yeah.